Hi, in this video we'll learn how to solve an equation and find the value of the unknown variable when we have variable on both the sides of the equation. Here you see that I have variable on both sides of the equation. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, let's write down the variables I have. I have 6x on the left hand side, I have x on the right hand side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find which variable is smaller and then I'll eliminate that variable. So here you see that obviously x is smaller than 6x. That means I'll eliminate x. Now we need to think, what do I need to do to eliminate x here? This is x. To eliminate this x, well, I can just subtract x. So let's go ahead and subtract x here. Now remember that we have to be fair when we solve equations. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do the same thing to the other side as well. So since I subtracted x on the right hand side, I'll subtract x on the left hand side as well. Now you see that 6x minus x, let's solve this. 6x minus x is going to give me 5x. And then I have plus 3, I'll bring this down, is equal to x minus x will be 0, so I can just cross this out. This is gone. And it's not necessary to put a 0, so I'm just going to write negative 12 here. Now, what we need to do is we need to find the value of the variable, and we need to get x by itself, right? And I have a 5x plus 3. So 5 is the coefficient of x, and then 3 is added to it. So remember that when we solve an equation, we always undo addition or subtraction first before we undo multiplication or division. This is 5 times x. So I'm not going to undo multiplication first. I'll undo addition first. So to undo this is plus 3. To get rid of this, to make this 0, I need to get rid of this 3 in order to get x by itself, right? So I'm going to subtract 3 here to get rid of this 3. Now remember that whatever I do to one side, I do that to the other side as well. So I'm going to subtract 3 on right hand side as well. Now here you see that 3 minus 3, this is going to be 0. So this is gone. I can just bring down 5x. This is all left on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, I have negative 12 minus 3, which is going to give me negative 15. Now, I just need to find the value of x, and to get x by itself, I need to get rid of this 5. Well, how do I get rid of 5? This is 5 times x. So remember that we always do the opposite operation to solve the equation. Since 5 is multiplied by x, to get rid of 5, I will have to divide 5. So this time I'm going to divide 5, and we have to divide 5 on both sides again because we have to be fair. Here, 5 and 5 is going to cancel out each other, so this is gone, and we got x here by itself, which is all we need. And here, negative 15 over 5. Well, negative 15 divided by 5 is going to give me negative 3. So my final answer is going to be x equals negative 3. Now, if you want to check whether your answer is correct or not, you can do that. What you need to do is you just need to plug in this value back into your original equation. So my equation was 6x plus 3 is equal to x minus 12. We're going to plug in this value of x again into this equation and see what we get. So here 6 times, in place of x, I'm going to put negative 3, and then I have plus 3, and then in place of x again, I'm going to put negative 3, and then minus 12. Right? We should get left hand side equal to right hand side. If we get that, that means our answer is absolutely correct. So let's do that real quick. 6 times negative 3 is going to give me negative 18, and this is plus 3 is equal to negative 3 minus 12 is going to give me negative 15. And negative 18 plus 3 will give me negative 15. So see, I got left hand side equal to right hand side, which says that my answer is absolutely correct. So this is the way you can solve the equation and check your answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in next video.